Is 2023 the year that it all changes for Shiba Inu? Is this the year of SHIB? That's the topic of this video. Got a lot of interesting stuff to cover for you, laying out what is coming in 2023. There's more than you think, I promise. So we're going to get into that in this video. As always, thanks for your support. Oh, by the way, links in the description below for all things clear. Check them out. Definitely hit that subscribe button. So 2023, Shiba Inu. Here's what we know. We have a lot of stuff coming, and it could definitely be the biggest. In my opinion, it is going to be the biggest year for Shiba Inu, period. Okay, we've got Shibarium coming. The rumor, the speculation looks pretty solid. A mid-February launch, February 14th. We've had some kind of some tweets and things of that nature that have kind of leading us to that. So probably a mid-February Shibarium, and that's going to be the foundation for all things SHIB going forward. Everything's going to run or touch Shibarium in one capacity. So what else is out there? Shiba Swap 2.0, Shiba Net potentially. Now, I haven't heard anybody talk about Shiba Net in a while. If you don't know what Shiba Net is basically going to be a marketplace running on top of Shibarium, whereby you can buy goods and services associated with the Shiba Inu ecosystem, merch, things of that nature. It'd be cool if that happens, but they haven't mentioned it in a while. We've got Treat, a new token coming out, and we've got the stablecoin, SHI. Those are all. Oh, by the way, forgot a little one, the metaverse. I was like, that should have been like the second one. Yeah. So a lot of big stuff for Shiba Inu in 2023. Massive, massive year. Yep. Lots of stuff. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. But this is going to be, in my opinion, the biggest year for SHIB. So what I got for you. If you're interested, learn more about ClearCryptos, check them out. Links in the description below. Definitely look at them. Get involved in their socials. Check out their Discord. Very active group. Very supportive environment. Take care. Have a good one. I'll see you.